Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about XML Basics, part of Web Technologies course. Here are some basic concepts and principles of XML. Elements are the building blocks of an XML document. They are defined by a start tag which includes the element name and an end tag which is the same as the start tag but with a forward slash. Before the element name, elements can contain other elements, text, or a combination of both. For example, in the following XML document, book is an element. Attributes. Elements can also have attributes, which are additional piece of information about the element. Attributes are included in the start tag of an element in the form of a name-value pairs. For example, in the following XML document, ISBN is an attribute of the book element. Hierarchy. XML documents have a hierarchical structure with elements nested inside other elements. This creates a tree-like structure with the root element at the top and child elements nested inside parent elements. For example, in the following XML document, book is the root element and title and author are child elements of book. Well-formedness. XML documents must be well-formed, which means they must have a single root element, matching start and end tags, and properly nested elements. This ensures that the structure of the document is consistent and predictable. Validity. XML documents can also be valid, which means they conform to a set of rules defined in a schema, such as an XML schema or a DTD. A valid XML document must be well formed and it must also comply with the rules set forth in the schema, such as the elements that are allowed and the order in which they must appear. Namespaces. XML allows elements and attributes to be grouped together under a specific namespace. Namespaces are used to avoid naming conflicts between elements with the same name, but with different sources. Namespaces are identified by a URI, that is Uniform Resource Identifier, which must be unique. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.